Welcome to Simple Adobe. In this video, you will learn how to make intro, place some pictures or video clips. I am using pictures, and then add music. I am making 5-second intro. That's why I use 5-second music part, and change picture on every beat. You can do this with video too. It takes some time to place pictures on music beat. After adjusting make sequence and save it, then open effects and search crop and drag and drop on the first image. Then open keyframes of top and bottom and set value to 50. 50%. After few frames, reset the value. Now add adjustment layer. And open Lumetri color. Decrease the value of temperature, exposure, whites, and others to give darker look. Select Type Tool or open Essential Graphics and add text to every picture as you want. I'm adding text as you've seen before. Select font for your text and change color of text for every picture. Also change shade and borders.